The Heide-Karolinenkoog Railway was a now-closed line in the Dithmarschen district in the German state of Schleswig-Holstein, connecting the district seat of Heide via Weddingstedt with the ferry over the Eider in Karolinenkoog. A section of the line north of Heide, a few kilometers long, is now part of the Heide-Büsum Railway. The line runs branched off from the Marsh Railway in Heide station and later passed under it. In Karolinenkoog there was a steam ferry port to Tunning. In satellite images the line can still be clearly seen because it followed a dead straight path. The route of a section of the line is now used by part of Federal Highway 5 running between the end of Autobahn 23 at Heide West via Hem to the Eider Bridge at Tunning. The Heide-Karolinenkoog Railway was opened, together with the Neumünster-Heide Railway, on August 22, 1877. It was built and operated by the West Holstein Railway Company, Westholsteinische Eisenbahngesellschaft. The Wesselburen-Heide Railway Company, Wesselburen-Heide-Eisenbahngesellschaft, opened a branch from Weddingstedt to the town of Wesselburen on November 1, 1878 and to Büsum in 1883, for freight from November 1 and for passengers from November 15. This route, the Heide-Büsum Railway, still exists today. The Karolinenkoog Eider ferry section was opened on June 1, 1886. From there, a steam ferry operated for passengers and freight over the Eider River to Tunning. The Western Holstein Railway Company was taken over by the Prussian State Railways on July 1, 1890. The line to Karolinenkoog survived only until January 20, 1940. On this day the last train ran to the Karolinenkoog landing ramp, which was destroyed by bombs on this day. Passenger services were cut back to Hemmerworth on November 1, 1942 and to Weddingstedt at the timetable change on May 23, 1954. Freight traffic to Hem ended on the last day of 1958. Freight traffic operated to Weddingstedt until April 30, 1968.